guys, this is Brandon Rob here. Today, I'm doing another video. Today is going to be Extreme Demolition. So, let's go ahead right here, press play. And we'll do first match. Of course, easy, because that's the only thing we have. So, let's play. Okay. Let's do this. Go. Boom. I'm going to be having a lot more videos. I mean, this is going to be part 1. I'll have maybe 10 parts. But I'm going to try to at least buy 6 cars. So, that's that. If you haven't, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you really like this video, maybe you can subscribe. So, talking about that, I have, if you remember in one of my videos, my cousin, Kayden Dobsons, he has a YouTube channel called Kayden Dobsons. So, that's his YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like his videos. He kind of uses the tablet I'm using right now to record because his iPhone, he can't find anything that's free to record his device's screen. So this is pretty much, since I have an Android, I'm using a Mopazin, which I've made a video on that. Yeah. This is a time for me. Very first time. I just downloaded it. Maybe 5 minutes ago. Then I had to get my recording set up. And as soon as I got my recording setup done, then I came in here and started recording. So yeah, just drift. Okay, we need to run. Whoa. So, sorry about no intro. I just couldn't find a device that would go real fast to add some music. Sorry about that. But I don't have the computer because I'm at my grandma's house. Let's go back to menu. So that was part 1. Very short. I'm going to tell you that. Actually, I might actually make another one. Yeah. Let's go ahead and do another one. So let's do the same thing. Okay, guys. Extreme Demolition. Time to get demolitioned. I'm gonna go through the middle here and try to get him. There you go. Punch them all in the faces. Yep, let's turn around. Oh gosh, no, don't flip. I do not want to flip. Okay, I have an idea. Let's go right here. Let's go straight. Let's drift. Let's go towards this guy that's smoking. Boom! Yeah, my cousin just came in. Sorry about that. So let's go over here and do that exact same thing I just did. Drift, and let's go towards the guy that's smoking a lot. So let's go towards him. Let's go hit him real hard. Yes. Let's do the same thing. Okay, so let's find another guy that's smoking. Turn. It's really hard to turn when you barely have an engine. Holy crap! Oh, that doesn't happen to us. Yeah, I think we have enough health. No, actually, I think we're losing health. I think the red's bad. Wait, we need to reverse. do this. Okay, so let's try to do exactly what we usually do. Holy crap. I think we only can last one hit. Well, guys, that's the end of this. That is the end of part 1. And then, yeah, so part 2 will be on my cousin's channel. And after that video, part 3 will be on mine. So, see you guys later. Peace.